There's a crater on my heart, but it still pumps blood. There's a crater on my heart, but it still pumps blood. There's scars on these legs of mine, but I keep moving on. It takes some time to heal and feel like you've moved on. There's scars on these legs of mine, but I keep moving on. It takes some time to heal and feel alright. You've gotta crawl before you run. We've come a long way, yet we got a little more to go. Don't get discouraged and always know if there's a crater on your heart, can still pump blood. I know there's craters on your heart, but it still pumps blood. And there's craters on my heart, but they can still pump blood. There may be craters on my heart, but it still pumps love. Still pumps blood. Maybe craters on your heart, but it still pumps blood.